A small adhesive square on your shoulder might be the most expensive sticker you ever buy. The internet is currently obsessed with these berberine patches, claiming they are a shortcut to a faster metabolism and a smaller waistline. The pitch is simple and tempting. You just peel, stick, and wait for the fat to melt away. These products promise to deliver a steady stream of ingredients, like green tea extract and African mango, directly into your system throughout the day. They even toss in vitamins like B1 and B3 to sweeten the deal. It sounds like a futuristic health hack that skips the need for pills or complicated diets. But the reality of how our skin works tells a much different story. Our skin is a fortress. Its entire job is to keep things out of our bodies. While some very specific medications can pass through this barrier, most herbal extracts are far too large to make the journey. There is very little scientific evidence showing that berberine can effectively enter the bloodstream this way. Even if it could, the amount getting through would likely be tiny compared to what your body actually needs to see a real change. This has not stopped marketers from calling it a natural alternative to those famous prescription weight loss injections. That is a massive stretch of the truth. Those medical treatments work on complex hormonal pathways that a simple skin patch just cannot replicate. Using those buzzwords creates a level of expectation that rarely matches the results. If you look for independent clinical trials on this specific patch, you will come up empty. Most of the glowing reviews you see online are part of a very polished marketing machine rather than scientific proof. There are also the physical risks to consider. Leaving an adhesive on your skin for hours can lead to nasty rashes or irritation. If your skin is even a little bit sensitive, you might end up with a red mark that lasts longer than any supposed metabolic boost. Beyond the physical, your wallet might be at risk too. Many people have reported getting stuck in recurring billing cycles after a single purchase. These companies often hide subscription terms in the fine print during checkout. You might find yourself being charged month after month for a product that is not even working. It is a classic move in the supplement world that catches people off guard. Before you jump on the latest wellness bandwagon, remember that if it seems too good to be true, it almost certainly is. True metabolic health comes from habits, not stickers. Be wary of the hype and always look for the hard science before trusting a viral trend. It is easy to get caught up in the promise of a quick fix, but our bodies are far more complex than a piece of tape. Taking the time to research these claims can save you a lot of money and frustration. Always talk to a professional before trying a new supplement, especially one that makes such bold claims without the data to back it up. Wellness is a journey, not a shortcut you can find on a website. Keep your eyes open and your skepticism high when these miracle products pop up in your feed.